Okay, so we are getting ready to bring all the flowers and pots in. I'm gonna get those. I already noticed this one already bent. So this is actually in ground. I took the hydrangea out of there and the other one was over there. So that's in a pot, that's in a pot, that's in a pot, this is in a pot, that's in a pot. And these are in pots and more pots. So we're gonna bring these all in and let's hope everything else stays, and we shall see. Let's get started. So they're gonna all go over here along with the hydrangeas. All right, so hydrangea, mums, we have them protected away from the strong winds, because what's going to happen is all the limbs are going to break off. So they are protected. And look at all the holes that's left. I didn't realize how many pots I actually had in my garden bed. See? The wind is picking up. It's not strong yet, but it's coming. Strong winds are coming. Alright, so here go the babies, the plant babies. There's the big coleus. It's actually huge. It's so much bigger than it was before. And here's another hydrangea. I'll just put the pumpkins over there temporarily. And I'll pick up these smaller items. But let's take a look and see what we have left. Alright, so missing all these missing plants. Looks so much different. So this is what caused me to move it. This is my hibiscus that actually snapped already. Well, it's not snapped, it's bending. Yeah. It's not going to stay up. So the good news is the blooms are already pretty much finished on those. So they're going to get ready to die back in the winter. This is another hibiscus. They're pretty small. So they should be fine. This is another one here. This one should be fine. These are sturdier stems and these are shorter. These should be fine. These are all in ground. So these should be fine. Alright. Want to see how deep my holes were? Look at that. Some pretty deep holes. Look at that. I pretty much had the pots in there because the pots are so big. So they're pretty much keeping the plants insulated, because it does get very hot. This is zone 9 Florida. My garden bed looks so empty. Very empty. Oh, look at the wind. Look. Time to head inside. And that right there is the tree that we had cut down that was hanging over the car. So they came and picked it up. So we'll get those debris up later. There's one there. Okay, you guys should be more than protected. The wind should be good here.